Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. This is part 2 of the guide to perfecting crab cakes. This part explains shaping, cooking methods, and creative ways to serve them. Cooking methods, from pan-seared to baked sensations. Now for the final step. Cooking your crab cakes. There are several popular methods, each offering a distinct texture and flavor profile. Your choice depends on your desired outcome and what equipment you have on hand. Here are the main cooking methods and their characteristics. Pan-searing for a crispy crust. Method. This is a popular choice for a classic, restaurant-quality crab cake. You'll use a hot skillet with a shallow amount of oil or butter. Process. Heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, like canola or grapeseed, or butter in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once shimmering, carefully place your crab cakes in the pan, leaving space between them. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes per side, or until deeply golden brown and cooked through. Result: a wonderfully crispy, golden brown crust with a tender interior. Baking for a lighter option. Method. Baking is a healthier approach as it requires less added fat. It also cooks the crab cakes very evenly. Process. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Lightly grease a baking sheet or line it with parchment paper. Arrange your crab cakes on the sheet and bake for 15 to 20 minutes, flipping halfway through, until golden and heated through. Result: a softer, lighter texture with a less pronounced crust, but still delicious flavor. Broiling for a quick finish. Method. Broiling offers a rapid cooking option, fantastic for a quick crisp. Process. Preheat your broiler. Place crab cakes on a baking sheet lined with foil, for easy cleanup. Broil for 2 to 4 minutes per side, keeping a very close eye on them, as they can burn quickly under the intense heat. You want them golden, not charred. Result: a super crispy top and a quick cook time, ideal when you're short on time. Beyond the classic, creative crab cake variations and pairings. While the classic crab cake is a beloved staple, there's a whole world of possibilities waiting to be explored. We can easily move beyond the traditional, adding new twists and complementing flavors. This section invites you to get a little adventurous. Think about how different seasonings, sauces, and presentations can elevate this already fantastic dish. Regional twists, a taste of local flavors. Crab cakes, despite their widespread appeal, often carry a distinct regional identity. Take the Maryland-style crab cake, for example. It's famous for its minimal binder, letting the sweet crab meat truly shine. You'll find large, intact pieces of lump crab with just enough seasoning and binder to hold it together. The focus is squarely on the crab. However, other regions offer their unique spin. Some recipes might include a bit more bell pepper or onion for added flavor and texture. In parts of the Gulf Coast, you might see crab cakes with a touch of Cajun or Creole seasoning, bringing a bolder, spicier kick. Imagine the warmth of cayenne pepper or the depth of smoked paprika subtly woven into the crab. These variations show how local ingredients and culinary traditions shape a dish. Sauces and accompaniments, the perfect pairing. A great crab cake becomes even better with the right accompaniments. Sauces, in particular, can add a burst of flavor and moisture that elevates every bite. Consider these popular choices. Classic remoulade. This creamy, tangy sauce with a hint of spice is a timeless pairing. Its richness complements the sweetness of the crab. Tartar sauce. A more traditional choice. Good old tartar sauce offers capers, pickles, and herbs, creating a zesty contrast. Lemon dill aioli. For something fresher, a homemade aioli with bright lemon and fragrant dill adds a light, herbaceous touch. Don't forget the side dishes. They should balance the richness of the crab cake. We often enjoy creamy coleslaw. A refreshing crunch and tang from fresh cabbage and carrots. roasted asparagus or broccolini. Simple roasted vegetables provide an earthy flavor and appealing texture. Light green salad. A basic salad with a vinaigrette can cut through the richness and cleanse the palate. Creative presentations, from appetizer to main course. Crab cakes are incredibly versatile in how you serve them. They can easily adapt to different dining occasions. Here are a few ideas to get your creative juices flowing. Sliders. Serve smaller crab cakes on mini brioche buns with a dollop of remoulade and a crisp lettuce leaf. These are perfect for parties or a fun lunch. Salad topper. Place a warm crab cake atop a fresh bed of mixed greens with a light, citrusy dressing. This turns a simple salad into a satisfying meal. Sophisticated appetizer. For elegant entertaining, serve tiny crab cakes with a swirl of aioli on individual tasting spoons or small plates. Crab cake Benedict. For a decadent brunch, use crab cakes instead of English muffins in an Eggs Benedict creation. Top them with poached eggs and hollandaise sauce. Feel free to mix and match. The goal is to make the dish your own. How will you serve your next batch of crab cakes? Crab cakes remain a testament to simple ingredients coming together for an extraordinary result. From selecting the ideal crab meat to mastering gentle mixing and precise cooking, each step contributes to that perfect bite. Whether you prefer the classic pan-seared or a lighter baked version, this dish offers endless possibilities. We hope you feel inspired to create your own rendition, perhaps experimenting with unique seasonings or serving styles. There's a real satisfaction in making these at home, tailoring them exactly to your taste. So, gather your ingredients and enjoy the process of bringing this beloved dish to life in your own kitchen. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.